Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Currently, air temperatures outside, a little on the nippy side for some folks, I guess. A 49-degree air temperature. Dew point is comfortable, though, coming in at 46. Really don't have any issues with fog out there this morning. Northeast wind coming in at about 5. With the air still dry, with dew points in the 40s, that's dry. Not as dry as it was last week when we had dew points in the teens, but still dry. With dry air, we'll warm quickly into the 70s today. So even though it's a cool, crisp start to the morning, it will end up being a very mild afternoon. We look for 53 degrees Wauchula, Arcadia, 52 in Myakka. Parrish is at 51, so is Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch, warmer at 52. 53 degrees in Northport. Cool spots, Punta Gorda at 46. 49 in Sarasota, as I mentioned, 55 in Venice, Inglewood 56, 57, Longboat Key right on the key there. We're looking at dry air in place, indicated here by tan colorizations on the water vapor loop. This is at mid and upper levels, although it could reach all the way down to the ground if the satellite could do that, because we are looking at very dry air at the surface as well. So a nice column of dry air top to bottom means no chance of rainfall in today's forecast. We have across the region a little bit of cloud cover over on the other basin, the Atlantic basin, that due to a frontal boundary which is still hanging out over there. That was the very weak boundary that came through here yesterday. Brought us a cooler night tonight, or this morning I should say, and a little bit of a wind during the later half of the afternoon yesterday. But no rainfall really. That frontal boundary now well out in the Atlantic, of little importance to us. We have a big ridge of high pressure located just to the north of a low heading east. That big ridge of high pressure is one we're going to be watching over the course of the week as it builds in, actually building in from Canada. High pressure over us brings us a fine day today. But as we head down the road, and we are looking several days ahead here into Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure north of the frontal boundary that'll be kind of meandering through the deep south may sink far enough south that it pushes that front closer to us by Thursday. And that would be the trigger mechanism for a scattered shower around here on Thursday, if we get one. We may not. The air might be too dry to support any kind of showery activity, but the rain chances scant at about 20% or so. That's about the best we can do. Low humidity today, sunny skies with a rain-free day today. We look for possible midweek showers, but really, that's about all we're going to get today. And for the whole week, really. A little bit of fair weather cloudiness maybe moves in by midweek as we just keep on with this easterly, northeasterly wind flow throughout the next couple of days. Eventually, the frontal boundary on Wednesday will start to work its way into the northern part of the state of Florida, and then we'll watch and see whether we actually get that frontal passage come our way on Wednesday night into Thursday with that slight chance of showers. Forecast for boating looks good. East wind coming in at about 5 to 10, maybe surging a little bit in the evening. Northwest perhaps at about 15. And 2 to 3 foot seas with a moderate chop. A couple of tides, actually only one tide to talk about this today. We've already had our low tide. High tide will come this evening at 5:46. So it's a pretty quiet tidal day. High tide then comes during the middle of the night tonight at about 3:11. Forecast for the week ahead looks nice. First day of spring today, of course. Daytime high about 74. And then over the next several days, we'll watch a continuation of mild weather, warm conditions. And then as we head into Thursday, that slight chance of a shower.